Thank you for joining this lesson. We shall be looking at mathematics, paper 1, section 2, the Kcse 2025 examination in the preparation of the 2026. So it's my hope that, I hope you can, I hope you can see everything. As we continue learning, kindly be reminded of our tuition programs here of every holiday. You can reach out through our number, which is already attached on the screen, 0704 15 33 66. So thank you for joining us. Let's now get to the paper. Yeah, you can use a comment. Let's know whether you are getting us clear. Let's know whether you're getting us clearly. Confirm whether you can. Confirm even whether you can see the paper. Let's check. Let's get to the paper itself now. We are told that the road connecting town A and town B is 160 kilometers long. A lorry traveling at an average speed of 45 kilometers per hour left town A for town B at 11:50 a.m. At the same time, a car traveling at an average speed of 75 kilometers per hour left town B for town A. The two vehicles met at C, a town along the road. Determine in part A, Roman 1, the time when the two vehicles met. The time when the two vehicles met. Confirm when the two vehicles met. So let's look at the first question, the first part. This is called a relative speed, and the vehicles are approaching one another. Therefore, when we talk about relative speed, then it means the addition of the two speeds. We have a town here that we call this A, another town that we call B. Then what you've been told is that the distance between them is 160 kilometers long. Now at 11:50 a.m., a lorry is leaving town A for B using a speed of 45. Then at the same time, a car is leaving town B for A. That means the time when the car begins its journey here, that is the lorry, a car also begins its journey at B. So they are approaching one another. So they are narrowing the distance between them at a common speed, and we are calling it approaching speed, right? So approaching speed is usually speed 1 plus speed 2. This will give us what we're calling the relative speed. So in this case, we need 45 and 75. This gives us exactly 120 kilometers per hour. So the distance between the car and the lorry is being narrowed at a speed of 120 kilometers per hour. Yeah, I'm requesting you to use comments to let us know whether you can hear us clearly. Okay, so now we can proceed. Now, if that is the approaching speed, then we ask ourselves, what is the distance now to be approached? The distance being covered, that is what we call speed. So we can talk about relative distance, the distance between the two vehicles by 11:50.